Hi guys, Retro Django here. In today's video we're gonna super rocket my old Indiana Jones WPC89 system. Look at this beauty we just got from PinSound again. This is a CPU replacement board for the WPC89. As you can see, more magical stuff can be ordered from PinSound. Inside the box we have PinSound quality inspection paper. We got more PinSound stuff you can put down at the apron. And we have got the magic in here. Just check this out. Before we open this one, let's go ahead and check out the PLCC extractor that's included. That's nice. We're gonna take a closer look at that in a minute, guys. The extractor, the IC remover, that's nice with some tools included, and CR2032 battery, which is included. Let's go in and open this beauty. We have a instructions manual here. Let's take a quick look here. Turn off your machine, disconnect the CPU board, remove the processor, install it in the Rocket, remove the ASIC chip, install it here, install the CR32 battery, reconnect everything, check out default settings, turn the machine on, and check out the blinking status and have some fun. Really easy stuff, simple stuff. And some more stuff you can buy. I actually have reviewed this shaker kit in my Jurassic Park from Stern. Go in and search for shaker Retro Django and you will see that video. All right, so let's go ahead and check out this beauty together. Woohoo! Oh man. Oh. 2 seconds, let me just take everything in here. RocketCPU WPC89 replacement for this part number. Now guys, oh, no more reset. For a geek like me that has bought and repaired and traded WPC89 machines, old Bally pinball machines for the last 20 years, you can't imagine how many of them just got thrown out, trashed, because of the CPU board had AA batteries installed here. They leaked battery juice and destroyed the board, and people throw out their pinball machines. Today, if you make a barn find or whatever non-serviced Bally machine from DMG era, from WPC89 era, if the batteries hasn't been removed, the CPU card will be destroyed. But now, from PinSound, you have the opportunity to buy this beautiful replacement board. Let's go ahead and check out the old board. This is so beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm just too excited about this. This is just quality, man. Let's open up here. Go inside the back box here on this beautiful Indiana Jones. As you can see, we have got the WPC89 board, the CPU board inside here. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at it. So if I just put the camera like this and zoom in, usually these AA batteries, as you can see, I have removed them but they will, when you buy one of these, they will be soldered on here, and all the battery acid, which is base, will just drip down and destroy the ICs, the connector. So to have bad pinball experience, and in worst case it won't boot up, these lights will just stop loading and your machine won't work. So if that happens, what can you do? You can get one of these beautiful cards. I mean, just look at this beauty. So let's check out the old one and install this one. When we do stuff like this, we check out the batteries. Okay, so this board batteries are off. As you can see, we have the ASIC chip here, NVRAM here, EPROM, and this one also, the CPU here. So this is included. What we do is pretty simple stuff. You can use this one very carefully now, but you can use this one to remove the ICs here, which is not easy because it's like 30 years of attachment. There we go. So you can use this one, or you can use one of these for $1, and you can just put this in here and just yank it out. So as you can see, this one has got a little notch here. I'm pretty sure it's shown in the manual also, but make sure that the knot here is the same direction, so don't turn it the other way around. So you just put this one in here and make sure none of the legs are bent. As you can see, make sure that everything just fits in perfectly here and perfectly down here. Double check that it sits fine, nothing is bent, nothing is dead, notches here, and it's shown here, so everything is really nice. The next part is this one. Again, just put it in very carefully now. Don't force anything, and just pop it into place. Oh. That didn't work. That means I have to bend the legs a bit. All right. Now it should be fine. Yes. There we go. And let's double check. There and there. So that one is perfectly also. So NVRAM, is it installed or not? It's not installed. That means W5, 7 and 8 on, off. So 5 is on, 7 and 8 is off. All right, that's nice. So the worst part is this one. You have to be really careful. You have these small pins that you put in here, and you take care, and you take this one out carefully now. Don't bend nothing. There we go. And when you take it out, you make sure this little hole here is also shown at the board down here. So don't put it on this way. You have got this little notch, and also you have got this little cut at the corner. Make sure that none of the legs are bent, no rust, no corrosion, no nothing. Again, this little notch is shown down here. So what do? We just put it in here, and yeah, fits like a glove. Wow, we are almost ready. Almost, because we want to save our settings, save our high scores. So what do? We check this included battery here. And when I say included, I mean, yes, the battery is included, but if you don't have the ASIC chip, you can actually just buy it from, when you order this from PinSound. If you're missing the original EPROM for the game, the newest EPROM for any Bally Williams games, you can go and order that when you buy this board. Or if you have an old version, you can buy the newest version, also game ROM from PinSound. There we go. Everything is installed. Now we are ready to install this one into the game. Small details. Look at the old ones here. Look at the new ones. When you want to install these ribbon cables, it's so irritating. Sometimes you push it one step up or up here. I mean, everything is just so well thought of. You can also, it has got connectors for an external battery connector here. I mean, the plugs, everything is just professional done. We have got here for the coin for European, American, Germany, Spain, whatever we like. We have got some status LEDs blinking, running, and power LED indicator here. I mean, this is a sponsored video, okay? PinSound sent me this, okay, but you know how retro Django is. If it works, I'm gonna show it. If it's BS, I'm gonna show it anyway. So let me connect everything and see how it performs. Alright guys, I have installed everything. I have never installed the ribbon cables this easy. I mean, everything is just thought about. It's such a nice card. If you look up here at the corner, it says, again, original PinSound DMD Lux card. Super nice. That's again another card from PinSound. Let's go ahead and give it some power. I'm ready to turn it off if something bad happens, but there we go. Yeah, of course we have to. Let me see here. Yeah, time and date. Let's go ahead and set time and date. You enter utilities, you go into time and date, and you say that it's 1989. I was a little kid back then. There we go. Beautiful stuff. Let's go into adjustments and let's go into pricing. Let's go in and say free play. Yes, please. All right. Now the pinball is ready. It's so simple. Let's see if it remembers the settings. The CR2032 battery, was it good enough? Let's power it on in about a few seconds. Now, let's see what's gonna happen. Revision L7. I think it's the newest version. If it's not, I can just order a newest game ROM from PinSound. It's so cool. It remembers everything. It's so cool. It's so beautiful. I'm so happy with this. It's magical, guys. Oh, I want to show you something cool. You can't see it because we have a lot of sun right now, but this boost, as you can see here, I can actually boost here. Can you see it when I... Now the camera can't pick it up, but I can go down to saving. Yeah, there you can see it got a bit more dim. Let's just put that normal. Oh, this is so cool. Guys, so we have reviewed a new ROM from PinSound. We have reviewed the WPC CPU board. We have reviewed Pinlux. We have reviewed Shaker. More reviews are on the way. I love this company, not because they are sending me stuff for reviewing, no, because they do this so we can keep on using our old pinball machines instead of these old 30-year-old boards. Now this one is beautiful because it doesn't have no battery damage. But if you have been working with Bally Williams cards, you know what I mean, guys. Now there's only one thing to do, and that is... Oh yes! Have a great day out there, guys. Retro Django out.